você, boa noite, Turende. Bem-vindo em Freewinds, bem-vindo no concerto de Fundação Go Cultura, celebrando ano de existência, mas também donando showcase a noite, poniendo spotlight, arriba assina hopi talento local, talento ng jovem que merece oportunidade. Bueno, a noite, maneira que você sabe, está uma noite hopi variar. Uma noite que me avisa me mês, desde par de semana passada, botinho está hopi duidelijk na comienzo, que a noite aqui não está about me. A noite aqui está about outro cantante que também canta a noite. Claro, me lo canta alguma canção para você, pero focus, spotlight, também guardo poner e bature talento nang aqui. Es aqui o nosso último projeto de Fundação Go Cultura. Quizás vos lees den corant caba, ou vos lees arriba Facebook, ou vos wak notícia. Go Cultura está uma fundação que não tem solamente para brindar apoio moral, para brindar apoio financeiro a nós artistas no local de toda disciplina, mas a fundação aqui também trabalha arriba conscientizar hopi mais quão importante arte está na vida de todo ser humano e quão necessário está, especialmente arriba Aruba, para nos inspirar, para nos empower, para nos por impactar nossa sociedade, e especialmente nos muchanan e nos jovens de forma de mais positivo possível. Pois a fundação lo vai seguir trabalhando de uma forma hopi activo e proactivo para generar fundo, pero também nos lo vai trabalhar de uma forma hopi estrecho com o sector comercial, para assim nos por chegar a pot de placa turanya, que o board de Go Cultura lo decidiu orinar quata e projeto nan que lo bahaya financiamento for de Go Cultura. Nos nota van plan etol de acerca governo para pedir subsídio, nos quer fomentar a ideia que nos artistas nan também por tomar iniciativa de criar uma própria oportunidade nan de virar entrepreneur nan artístico, entrepreneur nan cultural. Me estou pensando muito hobby, pero toch me estava quero explicar um tiki de Kiko ta Fundação Go Cultura. A noite, então a noite manema bisa, caminda com cantante nan com voz magnífico, também ora apresentar na bosso. E me está pedindo bosso também para desfrutar de tua representação nan dia a noite e para dar a cada cantante que apresentar tremendo aplauso para que Remy que não merece, não echt vai impactar bosso com não boss nan. Sem bisa muito mais, me quero apresentar e cenário com forte aplauso de Turende, The Freewinds Band. Com a noite, lo vai apresentar o cantante que nos invita. E para reforçar The Freewinds Band, nós temos músico local, forte aplauso para o amigo Dido.
He aprendido a llamar tu atención con un corazón humilde y verdadera adoración. Ahora sé cómo acercarme hacia ti como alguien agradecido que le has dado el perdón. Ahora entiendo lo que decía de ti, porque lo estoy viviendo en mí, ante el toque de tu gloria. No me puedo resistir, tengo que llorar en tu presencia, tengo que postrarme y adorar, tengo que declarar que no he sentido nada igual. was born by the river in a little tent, and oh, and just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Oh, yes, it will. It's been too living, but I'm afraid to die, 'cause I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Oh, yes, it will. I go to the movie and I go downtown. Somebody keeps telling me don't hang around. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Oh, yes, it will. Then I go to my brother and I say, brother, help me please. But he winds up knocking me back down on my knees. Oh, there have been times that I thought I wouldn't live through long. Now I think I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Oh, yes, it will. Oh, change gon' come. Change gonna come. Thank you. Thank you. I believe the children are a future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least and live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love is happening to me. Hey, I found the greatest love all inside of the greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Hey, I found the greatest love all inside of me. And if by chance that special place that you've been dreaming of lead you through a lonely place, find your strength in love. Thank you.
Un viaje más.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on a Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. afraid, I was petrified. Keep thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you done me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And now you're back from outer space. Don't turn you around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Run to the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. You think I'm a rumble, you think I'm a lay now and die. You know not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know how to stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey. All the strength I have not to fall apart, and gripping on in just my pieces, not my broken heart. And then I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I put my head on high because I knew somebody new. Don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. We're to the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. You think I'm a rumble, you think I'm a lay down and die. You know not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know how to stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey. The door, don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Run to the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. You think I'm a rumble, you think I'm a lay down and die. You know not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know how to stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive, I will survive. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm young and I'm foolish, I've made bad decisions. I block out the news, turn my back on religion. Don't have no degree, I'm somewhat naive. I've made it this far on my own, but lately these things ain't been getting me higher. I lift up my head and the world is on fire. It's red in my heart and fear in my bones, and I just don't know what to say. Maybe I'll pray, maybe I'll pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna pray. Oh, I've never believed in you, no. You won't find me in church, reading the Bible. I am still here and I'm still your disciple. I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please. I'm broken, alone and afraid. I'm not a saint, I'm more of a sinner. I don't wanna lose, but I fear for the winners when I try to explain the words run away. That's why I'm stood here today. Oh, I'm gonna pray, pray, pray for a glimmer of hope. I'm gonna pray, pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna. Won't you call me? Can we have a one-to-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. Oh, won't you call me? Can we have a one-to-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. I'm gonna pray, pray, pray for a glimmer of hope. I'm gonna pray, pray, pray. Maybe I'll pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna pray.
Whistling your name can find a lot of words to say. Who would think we could be this way? Do you think we can talk some more? Who are we anyway? Are the kids gone for the day? What's love got between you and me? Do you think we can talk some more? Yeah. But I will never question all the days and sessions. I made some mistakes, but I know that I'm trying to make it okay. Maybe we can get it right. Honestly, speaking frankly, let me tell you about the reasons that I ran away. Maybe you're just too good for me. Who knows why? Let me tell you why. 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 All these thoughts that I can't explain. What is going on with my brain? Do you think we can make it again? Just before I love you more. And who's to say, who's to blame? Can you make me escape this feeling I'm in? So you know it's just me, but I know that it's you. So it doesn't really matter for two. Let me tell you why. 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 Like feeling you. Danke, Hoppy, miss. Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some covers share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. Yeah, but things just get so crazy. Living life gets hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, I never want to leave. My fingers trace your every outline, yeah. Paint a picture with my hands, oh. And back and forth we sway like branches in the storm. Change the weather, still together when it ends. That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, I never want to leave. Camilo, everybody. Just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And Sunday morning rain is falling and I'm coming up to you. Saying someday it will lead me back to you. Find a way to bring myself back home to you. May not know that may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. Driving slow, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. I'm a flower in your hair. I'm a flower in your hair. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa, yeah. Säg det till. Camilo está siguiendo, pero säg det till. Nah. Hey.
Maestro, necesito un milagro, transformado en mi vida, mi estado. Hace tiempo que no veo la luz del día, están tratando de enterrar mi alegría, intentan ver mis sueños cancelados. Lázaro escuchó tu voz cuando aquella piedra se movió. Después de 4 días, él revivió. Maestro, no hay otro que pueda hacer aquello que solo tu nombre tiene el poder. Necesito tanto de un milagro. Remueve hoy mi piel. necesito un milagro. Transforma hoy mi vida, mi estado. Hace tiempo que no veo la luz del día. Están tratando de enterrar mi alegría. Intentan ver mis sueños cancelados. Lázaro escuchó tu voz cuando aquella piedra se movió. Después de 4 días, él revivió. Maestro, no hay otro que pueda hacer aquello que solo tu nombre tiene el poder. Yo necesito tanto de un milagro. Remueve hoy mi piedra y llama por mi nombre. Muda mi historia, resucita hoy mis sueños, transforma hoy mi vida. Haz un milagro en esta misma hora. Llámame hacia afuera, resucítame. Tú eres la propia vida, la fuerza que hay en mí. Tú eres el Hijo de Dios y me llevas a vencer. Señor de todo en mí, escucho hoy tu voz, llamándome a vivir una historia de poder. Remueve hoy mi piedra, cambia mi historia, resucita mis sueños, transforma hoy mi vida. Haz un milagro en esta misma hora. Llámame hacia afuera, remueve hoy mi piedra y llama por mi nombre. Muda mi historia, resucita hoy mis sueños, transforma hoy mi vida, Señor. Haz un milagro en esta misma hora. Llámame hacia afuera, resucítame. Masya, thank you.
I found the love for me, and darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and then your eyes are all mine. 'Cause baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you
whispered underneath my breath that you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Sei la mia donna, la forza delle onde del mare. Cogli i miei sogni e i miei segreti, molto di più. Spero che un giorno l'amore che ci ha accompagnato diventi casa, la mia famiglia, diventi noi e siamo bambinina, nulla è impossibile, stavolta non ti lascerò. Mi baci piano ed io torno ad esistere e nel tuo sguardo lascerò. Vado con te nell'oscurità, stretti forte poi a piedi nudi noi, dentro la nostra musica ti ho guardato, riderò e sussurrando ho detto tu stasera vedi sei perfetta per me.
Ballo con te
Nell'oscurità, stretti forte poi a piedi nudi noi,
dentro la nostra musica.
e creduto sempre in noi, perché sei un angelo e tu hai aspettato quanto ti ha aspettato,
Perché tu stasera
sei perfetta per me, sei perfetta per me.
less than 1 minute. Oh, I can't believe what God has done through us. He's given life. One, isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she lovely? Made from love. Thank you very much.
We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. Bums over Baghdad, tryna get something we never had. Let's start with a good dad. It's so real, but it's so sad. And why we've been in this incense? We gonna pray for the innocent. Cause right now it don't make sense. Right now it don't make sense. Let's talk about Chartown. Let's talk about Gaza. Let's talk about Israel. 'Cause right now with Israel. Let's talk Nigeria and the mass hysteria. Yeah, our souls are brought together so that we can love each other, brother. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. No guns made in Harlem. But yeah, crime is a problem. He wanna shine, he wanna rub 'em. Single mother, where they come from? How we gonna save the nation with no support for education? Cause right now it don't make sense. Right now it don't make sense. Let's talk about our part, my heart to your heart. Let's talk about living. Had enough of dying, not what we all about. Let's do more giving, do more forgiving. Yeah, our souls are brought together so that we can love each other, sister. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. Thank you. I've got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good song in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can take my eyes above it, moving so phenomenally. You gon' like the way we rock it, don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move where you already know, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Good, good creeping up on you to just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so to keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Keep dancing. Ooh, there's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. We flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good song in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can take my eyes above it, moving so phenomenally. You gon' like the way we rock it, don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move where you already know, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Good, good creeping up on you, just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. Stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Keep dancing.
How
Oh,
old are you?
baby.
How old are you?
12.
12. That's cool, man. 12 years old and he's saying Justin Timberlake. That's cool, man.
My body got this feeling in my body.
Come on.
Got this feeling in my body.
Got this feeling in my body. Nothing I can see but you.
When you dance, 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 they go creeping up on you. Just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Keep dancing. Thank you.
I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving. Oh, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging. Oh, you got me begging on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And let's get it between your way. Oh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are and give you what it takes. My sugar, just please, won't you come and put it down on me? I like it, no love and can't set my feet. really don't care who you are. I just wanna be that where you are and give you one little taste. Everybody say, my sugar, that's me. Won't you come and put it down on me? I like it, 'cause I need if you come and tell us about me. Yeah, show you good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in your life, my sugar, that's me. Won't you come and put it down on me? Bring it down. I want that red velvet. She want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man. There ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a California days. I don't wanna play no games. Don't wanna be afraid. Give me all that shine thing. Don't make my boss ask my sugar. That's me. Won't you come and put it down on me? I like it, 'cause I need no time and tell us about me. Yeah, only good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in your life, my sugar, that's me. Won't you come and put it down on me? Hey, come on now. Won't you come and put it down on me? Hey. Won't you come and put it down on me? Woo! Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us, only sky. Now we say, imagine all the people living for today. And we say, yeah.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too.
Now we say,
imagine all the people living life in peace.
we say,
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one.
imagine no possessions. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Yeah.
Imagine all the people sharing all the world. one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one.
Oh, the world will live as one.
Let me hear it for Jeremy Garcia and his band. Un fuerte aplauso para Jeremy.
Come on, hey, now put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, come on, ah, baby. Give me your chance, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, oh, you're sexy lady. But you fuck up my head like I wanna be someone else. Say, oh, I know that you don't know me, but you're fine, so fine.
Fine, so fine.
Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you and you're fine, fine.
Fine, oh, fine.
Everybody see treasure. That is what you are. I need your golden style, yeah. You make my wish come true. If you let me chance, I do, yeah. If you let me chance, I Spills, just be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I want that you if it wasn't you. Oh, I know that you don't know me, but you're fine, so fine.
Fine, so fine.
Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine.
Fine, oh, fine.
Everybody see treasure. That is what you are. I need your golden style, yeah. Make me my wish come true. You should let me chase you, yeah. You should let me chase Hey guys, wait. Break it down, come on. Woo. Break it down, come on. Break it down, come on. You guys know what is a soul clap? I gotta ask this right now. You guys know what's a soul clap, right? Let me see your hands. Come on. Let me see your hands. Say, let me treasure you all night, baby. Oh, you didn't hear me? I say, let me treasure you all night, darling. Ooh, break it down, come on. You are my treasure. Ooh, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my oh, baby. that white goes. This one for them blue girl, straight masterpiece. Stylin', wildin', living up in the city. Got such song, we seen it wrong. I kiss myself, I'm so great. What? Too high, hot damn. When the police in the fight, man, I'm too high, hot damn. When they're dragging on the retight, man, I'm too high, hot damn. Yeah, if I ain't know who I am, I'm too high, hot damn. When round, then break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night we in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Come on. Wow. Don't believe it, just watch. Wow. Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 ow, stop. Wait a minute. Pour on, put some liquor in it. Or say take a sip and sign a check. Okay, Julio, get the stretch. Got that Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. We show out, we gon' show out. With that jazz, I said too high, hot damn. When the police in the night, man, I'm too high, hot damn. When the dragon on the retirement, too high, hot damn. See my A, you know who I am, I'm too high, hot damn. When it bound, okay, ladies, bring it down, say, girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night we ain't in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 ow! Wait. You guys gotta give a round of applause for everybody over here one more time. One more time. And before I came back to Aruba, I spoke to Edgin, and I remember somebody told me something about Edgin that I can say right now. It's nothing personal, man. It's nothing personal. You don't know what it is, but he knows. I told him it goes like uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. They told me that you uptown, funk you up, right? Uptown, funk you up. He always something like uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Come on, something like uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. What we gonna do is jump on it, cause you sexy and fun. You crazy and fun. Don't brag about it, I'm charming. Come on, dance, jump on it. You sexy and fun. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 ow! See, uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Everybody say uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I do a lot of that. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Come on, say uptown, funk you up. 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 Guys, have a wonderful night. We are Cultura Foundation. Have a nice funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Thank you very much.